ensuring a model of high-value tourism. To do this, there is a need for creating quality tourism infrastructure, especially tourist accommodation. Hence, the Meghalaya Homestay aims to finance loans under the scheme, which is jointly sponsored under PMDTP scheme and a subsidy scheme under the Tourism Department. Office of the Executive Engineer Water Resources, West Highlands Division, Nongsan. This category emphasizes the work and functions of the water channel or urban channel according to the topography of the area. On reaching the command area, water tanks are constructed preferably at a higher point so that water can be supplied to all the nooks and corners of the area. Series of small check dams are also constructed along the stream in different locations of the command area. Efforts are being implemented by the Department for Sustainable Development to tackle the ongoing milk, meat and drought outbreak to accommodation of the local poor performers, nondescript cattle of the Meghalaya into better performing animals by introducing the F1 progenies of the Ongole and Holstein Friesian breed of cows to natural service by F1 bulls with the nondescript cattle. Northeastern, north and sporadic spread almost an entire area of the district, approximately covering a total area of 229 hectares with production of 1,058 metric tons. The indigenous Khasis believe that Khasi mandolin to be a fruit that dispels anger. It helps to prevent cold and constipation. Fibers in the fruit provide the mass that keeps a spinal movement. Presence of many bioactive compounds like maltol, which is anti-infusion, anti-fatigue, and glycerol, which is anti-cataract and anti-neuralgic. Khasi mandolin has vitamins F, B complex, and minerals like magnesium, iron, etc. They also contain antioxidants like beta-carotene to fight free radicals and enrich the life. The hills offer technical routes and trails, rivers offer kayaking and angling. The natural greenery is heaven for the botanists, biologists and research scholars. These features should be tapped into in partnership with village groups and stakeholders. With regards to the progress of the road connectivity to the state capital going at a rapid pace, it is supposed to help workers. The Sarti also showcases the various activities which aims to promote family planning through mother-daughter, husband, A&M, ASHA, and AWW's meetings, timely immunization, and institutional delivery. Office of the Executive Engineer, PhD Nongsan Division, West Highlands District and Swachh Bharat Mission and Jal Jeevan Mission. The tableau depicts ODF plus village, an outcome on intervention of Swachh Bharat Mission, wherein there is a proper system of implementation, management and sustainability of individual household latrine, community sanitary complex, and solid and liquid waste management. The village water and sanitation committee is responsible for maintenance of the general cleanliness of the whole village. Jal Jeevan Mission is envisioned to provide safe and adequate drinking from plant clear water main, clear water reservoir, zonal tank, distribution system in each and every household, and other public civic amenities. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for all the tableaus. Next, Office of the Meghalaya Basin Management Agency. Participatory development at its core places faith in the ability and willingness of individuals and communities to work together for the common good and is based on the belief that community participation is not only a right but also enhances the quality and appropriateness of development heavily on it. This, however, has had a very obvious drawback: environmental degradation. Increased heat and unsustainable resource utilization has pushed back the boundaries of our forests and turned uphill streams into muddy water. Strategies to cope with climate change are the need of the hour. On one of the sites of the tableau, activities on the national resource management are displayed. On one of the sites of the tableau, activities in which communities are made actors in planning and implementation of activities such as tree plantation, soil and water conservation structures, and other programs. Next, we have the Department of Fisheries non-film Fish Sanctuary. Fish sanctuary is a particular form of protected area in waters and considered to be an diversity, natural breeding and feeding grounds, and strong restoration of endangered fish species. These sanctuaries also provided livelihood and income as they become hubs for ecotourism, whereby minor construction of mini barrages without altering the natural paths or flow of the river would be taken up along with other construction, namely viewpoint, a watchtower, approach roads and footpaths would be taken up on case-to-case basis. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for all the departments who have participated in displaying the tableau.